All right, easy on the hydraulics. Keep the flow steady and confirm when empty.
Easy now. Watch the pallet on the left. Make sure it's secure before you lift.
That's much better. The carbon is looking clean. Maintain this flow rate for the rest of the batch.
Pressure levels are spiking in Sector 4. I'm on it. Adjusting the hydro regulator now.
Levels returning to nominal. Good catch. The schematic is stable.
Logging the current vitals now. Copy that. We show a green status on all primary indicators.
Look at that clarity. We did it. Absolutely stunning, Doctor.
We're getting a stable read on the growth matrix.
Excellent. I'll lock in the parameters.
Look at the bonding structure there.
I see it. Adjusting the methane flow slightly.
This growth spike clearly correlates with the Q3 adjustments.
If we reroute the supply chain here, we could see similar gains.
Agreed. Let's implement that immediately across the board.
All right, the seal is broken. Opening the hatch now.
Looks promising. Bring the tray over here.
All clamps secured on the CVD.
Acknowledged. Initiating HPHT depressurization sequence. Stand by for steam release.
All clamps secured on the CVD.
Acknowledged. Initiating HPHT depressurization sequence. Stand by for steam release.
All clamps secured on the CVD.
Acknowledged. Initiating HPHT depressurization sequence. Stand by for steam release.
Final approval signal confirms these diamonds are ready for market.
Confirming the bypass route now.
Looks like we avoided the delay in Sector 7.
Good work.
Excellent work, team. These displays are absolutely stunning. We are ready for opening.